There was a big willow tree in a very beautiful village. One day, a big storm came to this village. Fearing the storm, people went into the houses and took shelter. But this big willow tree collided with the big pillar, and the branches fell. The trunk was injured, and the tree was badly damaged. After a while, the sky cleared, and the storm stopped. The villagers came closer to see what had happened to the tree. They were saddened by the damage done to the tree, but after a few days, they saw that the tree would sprout new shoots again. The tree grew again. One man said, "Storms and obstacles come not to stop us, but to make us grow." They learned from this story that every experience is important for our growth and development learned. Symbolizing it, the willow tree grew back beautifully.